here. Come here, big girl. There's my big girl. Oh! There she is. The first day of walking. Oh! There she is. Walking with the phone. Oh! Get back up again. Oops. Go get Otis. Kenley. Kenley, what are you doing? Are you cleaning? Kenley! Come this way. She'd rather read in the mail. What are you reading? Kenley Bean. What are you reading? Show me you can walk. Show me that walking again. Kenley. Come here. Is it good? Good. Kenley! Hey, come get your monkey. Come get him. Come get him. Come get him. Walk with him. There we go. Oh, there's our big girl. You're getting tired too. I know, it's hard work, this walking stuff. It's hard work. Oh, yay! There we go. Oh. Monkey's getting in the way now. There we go. Get him out of the way. That would help. I'll get him out of the way. Ugh. Here. Get back up. You can do it. Kenley. Back up. What are you doing? No, now you're crawling again. Oh, there's Otis. The red dot is on when I'm recording? Yes.
Okay. Hey. No, don't touch that. Don't touch that thing. See, Mom.
There's my girlie. Yay! Yay! Oops. Yay! Her first day of walking. Look at her go. Look at her go. Oh! All right, time.